Greetings, how to buy Chainlink. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of cryptocurrencies.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Chainlink and other cryptocurrencies. How to deposit money on Binance. How to buy Chainlink. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback codes and links. This is our website, cryptocurrencies.net. You can get all informations about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, BNB coin, and Chainlink. So easy. Articles and videos. Now, we should find Chainlink page and click. On this page we can get all informations about Chainlink. So easy. Videos, Binance codes. Now, how to buy a link, Chainlink coin. Just one click. Let's go.